My name's Catherine Spellacy. I'm the General Manager for Human Resources. My role is the overall responsibility for both health and safety and human resources within MiniMovers. When I joined the company at the end of 2009, they had incorporated an external provider, had undertaken some cost-cutting exercises, and the owners had moved away for a couple of years from the business. All of these changes had, unfortunately, an adverse effect on safety. Senior management have played a key role in leading this safety initiative over the last few years by bringing back the knowledgeable staff and personalising our service, our instant management, rehabilitation and reporting elements of the business. All in all, the communication has been something that has really improved within the organisation. The owner of the business, Mike O'Hagan, he came back into the business, and we made a decision to promote two of the long-term staff. One of the key players in that was Sandra Wilkes, with over 23 years knowledge and experience. This had an immediate effect. She then handled all of the instant management, rehabilitation and reporting elements of the company. So we no longer used an external provider. It was now run by someone who knew the guys. Other initiatives we've done is we've introduced what we call an in-truck terminal. As you can imagine, in furniture removaling, there's a lot of issues with carting things up and down stairs, where to park, making sure that the cones are out and so forth. They can then use their tablets, and with that tablet they can take a photo of any risks and so forth, or explain what happened, which helps in the investigation. One of the major initiatives of MiniMovers is to provide a fully cooked breakfast to all employees 7 days a week. Once a month, we also have what we call the big breakfast, and that's a bit more formalised. We use that big breakfast also as an opportunity for reward and recognition. MiniMovers had the opportunity to be a lead contributor in the formation of the Certificate 3 in furniture removals. Our contribution on that included assessment areas, training modules and so forth, and we are very pleased to announce that in 2014 this came to fruition and we now have a nationally accredited certificate. Without everyone's support across the entire business, we would not have the success that we have now. For example, our claims have reduced from 47 a few years ago down to 22. We currently have no common law claims, and our incidents have reduced. And when I say they've reduced, our reporting has gone up, which is what you want. You want to hear from the people if there is an injury. But our medically treated injuries have fallen dramatically.